Joints and their movements. The places where two or more bones are joined together are called joints. The bones are held together at the joints by strong structures called ligaments. Types of joints. There are three main types of joints in our body: immovable joints or fixed joints, slightly movable joints or cartilaginous joints, freely movable or perfect joints. Let us study about these joints in detail. Immovable joints. These joints do not allow any kind of movement. Examples are joints between the bones of the skull, joints between the upper jaw and the rest of the head, joints in the tooth sockets, slightly movable joints. These joints allow very little movement. Examples are joints between adjacent vertebrae in the backbone, joints between the ribs and the breastbone. Freely movable joints. These joints allow free movement of bones in various directions. Examples are joints in the elbow, joints in the knee, joints in the shoulder, joints in the neck. There are four major types of freely movable joints: ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint. Ball and socket joint. In such joints, the end of one of the bones is round like a ball, and it gets fit into a hollow part in the other bone. The bone that ends in a ball can move in any direction. Such a joint is called a ball and socket joint. Hip joints and shoulder joints are such type of joints. Pivot joint. In such joints, one of the bones ends in a rounded or conical surface that fits into a dent in the other bone. It allows movements in all directions. Such a joint is called a pivot joint. Neck joint is the example of pivot joint. Hinge joint. It allows movement in one plane or direction only, that is, up and down or backward and forward, like the hinges of a door. Such joints are, therefore, called hinge joints. Knee, finger joints, and elbow joints are such types. Gliding joint. These joints allow side to side as well as backward and forward movement. The vertebrae in backbone also have similar joints. Wrist and ankle joints are such type of joints. Cartilage. Beside the bones and joints, some additional parts of the skeleton that are not as hard as the bones and which can be bent. These are called cartilage. Feel your ear. Do you find any hard bony parts that can be bent? Here, you do not seem to be any bones, isn't it? Do you notice anything different between the earlobe and the portions above it as you press them between your fingers? Do you feel something in the upper parts of the ear that is not as soft as the earlobe, but not as hard as a bone, isn't it? This is cartilage. Cartilage is also found in the joints of the body. What makes the bones move? How our bones move? What thing makes the bones to move? Bones never move by themselves. It is our muscles that are attached to the bones and make them move at the joints. Muscles are like elastic bands that are attached to the bones with the help of tough connecting bands called tendons. The muscle pull helps the bones to move. Muscles cannot push. Therefore, to move the bone in one direction, at least 2 sets of muscles are required. If you want to raise your arm, your biceps in front contract. That is, they become shorter and fatter to pull up the arm. To lower the arm, your triceps at the back contract and pull it down. The up and down movements of your arm is mainly controlled by 2 muscles. These are biceps and triceps.